So all right, so we came up a day early and decided to get everything set up so that we could be there first thing in the morning to get started because it's gonna be hot. It's raining a little bit, so Paul's got grill duty. Paul's got grill duty out there. Grill duty. All right, yeah, done burned himself. Nice pool area. Water is not cold, but it's not necessarily warm. I'll say that. My pool is actually, huh?
Put your ass in.
Better not put my elbow in. This is what you're gonna start off with, guys. Just like this. So your mobile home starts off with like this. Don't let vines grow up beside of your house, whatever you do. It's a terrible thing. If you live in a mobile home and you have leaks, you're at the right place. Today, tomorrow, and maybe the next day, we're gonna make 3 or 4 videos, whatever it takes. We're gonna show you how to dry in your house forever. This is for all mobile home owners or somebody that might even want to start their own business. We're gonna have a little difficult here because that thing is so close to the house. Didn't know it was that close to the house. But we're gonna figure out something there. We're gonna figure out something, make a transition. Not sure what, we'll figure it out for the days out. Stick around. I think you're gonna like this, guys. All right, guys, so this is what you're gonna start out with. See, we're gonna change the 2 caps. First thing we're doing is we're looking for electrical wires. And so we went on the top of this one and found the exterior light. I said, all right, where's that thing coming in at? And very cool, it's way down there. And it seems to run flat on the ceiling, so that's a good thing. Decide to cut a hole here in the middle. Generally, you'll find something over here too. They've added insulation in there.
Yeah.
There's a lot of room down there.
Oh yeah. I got that much.
Under that too, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there's no way. I don't see any bumps up here.
See no wires.
No. No.
Yeah, always.
Don't see any wires.
That's a good thing.
All right, guys, this is the important part. We have the line down. And I'm gonna be making 2 videos of this. This video is for tonight that I can put down, and another GoPro video that I have on top of my head. I'll be doing that one later. But we have all our boards down. And that will give us a nice 2-inch overhang all the way across, all the way down, and something we can work with. That outside, we really need that to be straight. So let's get our first sheet. First, third. In other words, 10 out of approximately 30 sheets total. You enjoyed it? It's all tacked on except for 2 pieces. I'll see you guys tomorrow night. Wait, we're not finished yet. We still got to roll out this rubber. Yes, sir. We're going to put that all the way around. That looks good, Paul. I like it. Thank you. Make them up. That, my friend, is what you end up with. We'll do the same as that all the way around. All the way around. much money they spent. Oh. Trim off a few more pieces there. Can you give me a like at least? Look at that. It's not the same house anymore. I need a like.